Right, people, we are off to the big Tesco's, and I say that because anyone from the local area knows that the biggest Tesco's around where we are is in Gillingham, and the plan is exactly the same. We have got the Ray-Bans, we have got the gimbal, we've got the microphone. We're going to drive in there, we're going to put 5 litres of fuel and hope that I don't go over, because it is really difficult to try and judge those couple of pence. And I have had it on one test where I went to 5, put it on there, and when I walked back in, she went, oh, you've gone over by a penny. So I had to do the whole test again. So, yeah, not ideal. We are going to head into the big Tesco's in Gillingham, and we are going to see whether we get 5 litres or not. I can see that is the cheapest we've seen so far. What is that? 132.9 for petrol, which is going to be the same as all the other tests, which is a 95 RON unleaded petrol. So I wonder how busy this is going to be. That's definitely the cheapest that we've had of all the tests so far. Obviously the most being that crazy one we did yesterday. Well, that ended. That was weird. Right, it says pay at pump only. Very busy here, so I'm assuming that people know that this is one of the cheaper ones at 132.9. Right, let's see what we've got, people. Okay, so what is this? So we can, oh actually, we might be able to use this. Don't spend a penny. Before you lift the nozzle, tell the pump exactly how much you want to put in and it will stop it for you. Absolutely fantastic. If I can put that 5 litres in there, we will know if we've got 5 litres and whether this actually works or not. Can see on here that we've got the unleaded fuel, which is what we will be using, and there's nothing in here that says we can't use the jerry can. Only approved fuel, which we're going to do. I'm really interested to see if that works. We'll do the same thing again, people. See that, everyone? Absolutely nothing in that, yeah? Right. So, oh, there we go. Jay? Right, so we have inputted 5 litres into here. We are going to lift this. Nothing in there, look. Going in. And I'm going to hold the trigger full until that goes to 5 litres. Ready? Ready? Once that authorises at the pump, that should give me 5 litres, yeah? Full throttle. We're going full throttle. I'm going full throttle, everyone. I'm not lifting it. There we go. That is unbelievable. So exactly 5 litres according to that. Look, can you see? Nothing coming out. We're going to put that back. Oh my. That was 5 litres, £6.65, which is the cheapest that we've done. £1.32.9, and we used this section on here that said we wanted 5 litres. So I'm really impressed with that. If that gives me 5 litres, I'll be a very happy man, because that's the first time I've used that. I've used it before on money, but I've never used it before on litres. So let's see what we got. Right, let's go and pay for the fuel. Number 16. Right, there we go. That is us. Let's go and see what we got. Right, people, so this is the first time we have used the automatic 5 litre dispenser at the Tesco pump. So what will we see? It's very interesting actually, because I just had a quick look on here just to see where we were in compared to the other ones, and it looks pretty much as high as what we've had previously. We are going to quickly just check it in terms of the temperature, because we know that the temperature is affected by these tests. So let's have a look to see what we are being dispensed. So we're about 7 degrees, 6.8 degrees. Can you see that, everyone? So the key question is, 5 litre. Is it going to be 5 litre? We've got our trusty 5 litre Sealey jug. We have got a level playing field, so you can see that on the spirit level, that we are completely level. We're going to use the torch as a backlight for the test. So you can see as we put the fuel in. Let's get that in quickly, because some people will go, it's evaporating. So, are we going to get 5 litres? Like I said, first time I've ever used the automatic dispenser at the pump. But the tests have been pretty good so far. Asda's has been spot on. BP, which was extortionate money, but spot on. This is the Tesco option. But will we get 5 litres? It's looking absolutely fantastic so far. But is the automatic dispenser any good? Yes or no? And are we getting 5 litres? Well, I'll let you lot be the judge of that. Absolutely. In fact, is it over 5, would you say? Would you say that's over 5 litres? And our first test to be properly over 5 litres? And we did empty it out as well, which you could see in the video. We emptied it out before we did the test. That's slightly above, isn't it? So Tesco's, well done. Our highest so far of the 5 litre tests. And I put the trigger full. I put in 5 litres on the machine, I gave it all the beans and shut my eyes, because if it went over I'd have to do the bloody test again. So I shut my eyes, give it full trigger, looked up, and it stopped dead on 5 litres. And as you can see, we're slightly above. I'd say slightly above. Because if you take into account the 1%, 0.1% per 1 degree, we're about 8 degrees difference from what they said, 15 degrees. So technically, we could be a little bit higher than that. So, well done to Tesco's. But now we've tested your fuel, what are your food products like? If I went over to your supermarket now, bought 10 items, Tesco branded items, and stuck them on the scales, would your food be as accurate as your fuel? You'd have to wait and see what the next test produces, because we're off to Tesco's. So, don't forget people, I'm doing what you're asking me to do. So, in return, all I ask is that you like, share and subscribe. I'm doing this off my own back. We're here on Sunday. It's freezing cold, but I'm doing it anyway. Also as well, if you've got any suspicions of any local garage to us here in Newington, Kent, that you feel you want me to test, drop a comment in the section below. Let me go and visit them.